bakit nga ba yung any number na may exponent na 0 ay equal to 1? Now, let's explain why. But first, kailangan muna nating maintindihan ang mga bagay na ito. Number 1, kapag nag-multiply tayo ng mga numbers na may exponent, ay ina-add natin yung exponent nila. Number 2, kapag nagde-divide ng numbers na may exponent, ay sinasubtract natin yung exponent nila. Number 3, yung exponent yung magdidikta kung ilang beses natin silang i-multiply sa kanilang sarili. Halimbawa, 3 raised to 1. 3 raised to 1 is equal to 3. It is because the exponent is 1, so isang 3 lang yung ilalagay. Now, how about the 3 squared? So, since the exponent is 2, we will multiply 3 by itself. So, we have 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Now, how about the 3 cubed? Since the exponent is 3, so tatlong 3 yung imumultiply natin. So, we have 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. Ganon din sa may exponent na 4, 5, 6, and so on. Ngayon, balik tayo sa katanungan natin kung bakit yung any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Halimbawa, we have 3 raised to 0. So, yung 3 raised to 0 is pwede natin siyang isulat as 3 raised to 1 minus 1 because 1 minus 1 is 0. At ito namang 3 raised to 1 minus 1 is pwede natin siyang isulat as 3 raised to 1 divided by 3 raised to 1. So, kahalintulad siya nito. Yung any numbers na may exponent na dinivide ay sinubtract natin yung exponent nila. So, 3 raised to 1 divided by 3 raised to 1 is equal to 3 divided by 3 because 3 raised to 1 is just equal to 3. Kahalintulad siya nito. Yung 3 raised to 1 is just equal to 3. Then divide. 3 divide 3 is equal to 1. That is why any number raised to 0 is equal to 1.